Hey guys, Marliese from Simply Fit Mom here, where I help you take the stress out of meal times and get food on the table for you and your family fast using meal prep. And today, guys, is all about my healthy meal plan for the week. What I eat in a week for breakfast as a meal prepper. So many of you have been reaching out and asking me, Marliese, this is so great that you have this channel, but like, what do you eat? I want to know the real down and dirty reality of what you eat as a meal prepper for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. So this is going to be the first in a 3-part series where I'm going to take you through what I eat in a week as a meal prepper and give you kid-friendly recipes that work for busy moms. They're quick, they're easy, your kids will love them, and more importantly, they will fuel you so you can have lots of energy to keep up with the crazy demands of mom life throughout your day. The 3 quick and easy meal prep breakfast recipes that I go to again and again and again are my tropical summertime smoothie, my ultimate avocado toast, and my on-the-go yogurt parfait. And of course, if you stick around to the end of today's video, guys, I have a very special surprise for you. I've created for you a 5-step meal prep express guide where I give you 3 quick and easy meal prep recipes, a done-for-you grocery list, and a quick and easy strategy to make them all in 1 hour or less. So you can start meal prepping with me right away. All right, guys, without further ado, let's jump right into our first recipe for that tropical summertime smoothie. Alright guys, the ingredients we're going to need for this beautiful tropical summertime smoothie are 1/2 cup to 3/4 cup of plant-based yogurt or regular yogurt, 1/2 cup of frozen pineapple, and 1/2 cup of frozen strawberries. We're going to need between 1.5 to 2 cups of plant-based milk. This is my absolute favorite kind of plant-based milk. It's from Milk Adamia, and it's unsweetened macadamia nut milk. I get it from Costco and it is so yummy. So this is my recommendation for plant-based milk, but you can also use regular full dairy as well. All right guys, to make this smoothie, we're gonna make it in 2 parts, okay? Just so that we get that layered red and yellow effect to make it look like a tropical sunset. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna add our pineapple first and 1/2 of our yogurt. So just scoop it right in there. It's about 1/4 cup. I just put in about 1/2 of it. And then we're just gonna pour in about 1 cup or 3/4 cup to 1 cup of plant-based milk. We just want it to be liquidy enough to blend in your blender. Some blenders aren't super powerful, so you may need to add more liquid, okay? We're gonna plop the top on and blend it all up. Alright guys, now that we have our pineapple layer, we're going to pour it into a mason jar. And the reason I love using mason jars, guys, is because they come with lids, and you can, for meal prep, you can make the smoothie and store it in the fridge with the lid on. Makes it super easy and convenient. So you can make this ahead of time up to a couple of days. Now we're going to pour our pineapple layer in there. And in the exact same blender, we're going to grab our strawberries, plop them right in there, and then we're going to add in the rest of our yogurt, so the other 1/4 cup, and of course we're going to add between 3/4 cup and 1 more cup of plant-based milk, and then blend it all up. Alright guys, now we have our strawberry smoothie. And now what we're going to do is we're going to pour the strawberry smoothie over the pineapple smoothie. And you can see that they blend together a little bit and you get this beautiful layer of pink and then yellow, and it looks to me just like a beautiful tropical sunset, and it tastes even better. Such a perfect breakfast meal prep recipe. You can make it in less than 5 minutes, or at the beginning of the week, just make it up, pop it in a jar with a lid, and then you have breakfast ready to go and waiting for you in the fridge on those really busy weekday mornings. All right guys, for my ultimate avocado toast, what you'll need is a piece of gluten-free or regular toast and bread all nice and toasted. Then 2 slices of creamy brie cheese. This takes it over the top, guys. I love it so, so much. We're gonna add a little sprinkling of sea salt, but first we're gonna slice our avocado and put it on top. If you've never sliced an avocado, it's super easy. What you wanna do is, if you feel like this is your first time and you're feeling a little bit nervous, you can put a kitchen towel on your hand, hold the avocado nice and tight like this. I like to add just like a slit on the top, slide the knife in, and then rotate it around the pit in the middle of the avocado. And then you just wanna twist and pop. And if you're lucky, I know avocados can be finicky sometimes, you'll get a beautiful, perfectly green avocado with no like rotten bits or anything like that. And we're gonna slice lengthways down the avocado in nice thin slices. And now before we put it on the toast, guys, I like to season this side with salt. And then, because when you flip it out and put it on your toast, then that means that there's also going to be seasoning on the bottom of the avocado and it won't be bland. And guys, don't worry about if little pieces come off. This isn't about making like perfect avocado toast, right? This is real meal prep for real busy mornings for us busy moms. Now, what you can also do with this, guys, is throw it back in the toaster oven or in the microwave for like 20 to 30 seconds in the microwave, or in the toaster oven for 1 to 2 minutes to melt the cheese. And it is the most delicious ultimate avocado toast. I have it at least twice a week. The third recipe in my breakfast weekly meal plan as a meal prepper is an on-the-go yogurt parfait. And the ingredients that you're gonna need for this are some dairy-free or regular yogurt. The one I'm using today is the organic Olympic vanilla yogurt. Some frozen fruit. I have some pineapple and strawberries left over from our tropical fruit sunrise sunset smoothie that we made earlier. As a bonus, we also have some granola. If you're looking for an amazing, quick and easy 5-ingredient granola recipe, be sure to check out the link to my granola recipe just here, because it is 5 ingredients, takes 10 minutes to make, and it is so delicious, and I literally put it on everything. So in order to make our on-the-go breakfast parfait, you can either do it in a mason jar, but I'm just doing mine in a meal prep container today. And first you're gonna grab your yogurt and grab a spoon and just put in as much yogurt as you want. Guys, I love this recipe because it's super easy and customizable. So if you have kids with different tastes, or like you and your partner have different tastes, this is such an easy recipe to customize and really change up to the individual person and what they like. And then we're just gonna pop on the fruit right here. And for your granola, guys, you can see that I have it in a separate container. That's gonna be your on-the-go yogurt parfait. Don't put unless you want it to get soggy, don't put your granola on until you're ready to eat your yogurt parfait. I like to just pop mine in a separate meal prep container, and I put the whole thing in the fridge, one on top of the other, so on those really busy weekday mornings, I can just grab the entire thing and head out the door. And as I promised, guys, if you stuck around to the end of today's video, I promised I would give you instant access to my 5-step meal prep express guide, which contains done for you meal prep grocery list, 3 quick and easy meal prep recipes, and a strategy to make it all in 1 hour or less. That's it for me today, guys. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And of course, let me know which breakfast recipe you are going to try first and which one excites you the most. And be sure to also let me know in the comments below if this is the type of content you want to see from me going forward, so I can make sure to make more of it for you as well. Marliese from Simply Fit Mom signing off, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys!